It's April 28th, and would you guess we just made it through another big, nasty snowstorm? About 36 hours worth of 32 degrees or less here in Zone 5B, Colorado. You can see just the tiniest remnants of snow left. It was covered in wet, heavy snow. Tulips and daffodils and hyacinths were bowed down to the ground. And yet, if they can close up, like these Adrem tulips did, and keep the water out, then they're often in really good shape. They can make it through these storms in a way that is quite surprising. The bees have been busy. They're coming back out. What they love here is the Muscari armeniacum, these little purple and bluish grape hyacinths. Some of the flowers don't make it.